We have the 1933 Ford Roadster, which we dubbed the P-33 Venom. It's based off of a 33 Ford Roadster, and we made it to more of a warplane themed car, kind of going with the Army true olive drab green, bomber style seats, a lot of one-off parts that are influenced from the aviation world. It's got an LS 376 engine, which is the 525 horsepower, which this car weighs probably 2,000 pounds, so this is a rocket ship. The company I'm with is Garrett's Rod Shop. We're out of Columbus, Ohio, and the customer came to us and he wanted a really cool roadster, but he gave us, it was such a great thing, he gave us the opportunity just to go ahead and build the style that we wanted, and it's basically the owner of the shop, which is Garrett Kitchen. He's the designer, and this is something he's always wanted to do with some kind of military themed car, and then just the Roadster just kind of screamed this design, because you can look inside the engine or the interior real easily and the engine compartment, so it just made it a really cool platform to do something like this. My favorite part is that the exhaust system is actually, it's a full exhaust, but on the side we have cutouts, and you can flip the switch and you got uncapped exhaust coming around at the sides. This is a really cool event, and it's pretty fun to be asked to come to this, and it's been a beautiful weekend, so I would suggest coming to this.